I am sure you must have had people shouting, delete CapCut app, uninstall CapCut app, or even stop using CapCut to edit your video. Because they said that CapCut want to steal your video or CapCut want to steal your content. I'm sure you must have heard people saying that. But is it really true that CapCut want to steal your video or want to steal your content? Let us break it down. Actually, CapCut is safe to use if you know how to use it wisely. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use CapCut safely. Even if you accept the CapCut new terms of service, how to use it wisely, how to make sure that you are safe when you are using it to edit your video. And this will help you to avoid panic and fear. But what is the panic about? The panic is that many of the videos say that CapCut new terms of service allow CapCut to use your content, to use your voice, to use your videos, or even your face, to use it for what they want without paying you. And that is why many people are afraid. But that sounds scary, right? But what is really in CapCut terms of service? Actually, CapCut Terms of Service is not something new. It is not a strange thing. Other platforms like TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, they also have Terms of Service. So, seeing CapCut Terms of Service is not something strange. It's something that other platforms usually have. But here is where people get it wrong. CapCut cannot just come and take your content just like that. You need to do something before CapCut will take your content or use your content. You need to start an action. What is that action? The action is that if you only use CapCut to edit your video, just simple editing, fine, you are safe. But if you use CapCut to back up your video, to back up your content, that is, if you upload your video to CapCut cloud storage, then you are giving CapCut the right to use your content. If you also share your project, maybe when you edit your video, you share it as a template, then you are like telling CapCut to use that video as a template to share it to people around the world, and other people can also use it to create their videos as well. So it is only when you do these two things, either you upload your video to CapCut cloud storage automatically, or you share your video as a template for others to use, then you are not telling CapCut to save your videos as a template in the gallery for other people to use. It is when you do this action that CapCut will now say, okay, you are share it as a template. Now we have the right to use it, or we have the right to let other people use your content. That is when CapCut will use your content for others. But if your goal is just to edit video, just simple video, then what you need to do is just export your video to your phone and don't share it as a template, and don't even upload it automatically to the cloud storage. So how to use CapCut safely? Let me show you 3 steps that will help you to use CapCut like a pro without fear or without panic that your content will be used or something like that. Step 1, don't use CapCut Cloud Sync or auto upload features. Open your CapCut app in your mobile phone. Go to the profile icon at the bottom right. Look for settings at the top right corner. Look for the option that says auto upload. Right now it is on. Just turn it off. And that is it. In your PC, open your CapCut app, then come to this gear icon here. Click on it. Click on setting. Then make sure this option is turned off, which is auto upload. Right now it is turned off. Just check yourself if it is turned off and leave it like this. This will ensure that you don't upload your videos automatically to the cloud storage when you are through editing your video. If you turn this option on, then that means you are giving CapCut a copy of your video. So make sure it is turned off. When you're okay with that, then you click on save. Normally, why do people even use this upload feature to upload their videos to CapCut Cloud Storage for the first place? Why do people use this option? The reason is because before now, people used to upload their videos to CapCut Cloud Storage like a backup to back up their videos, because if they don't want to edit with their phone, or maybe they are editing with their phone and they want to complete their edits, they will upload it to CapCut Cloud Storage. Then they will also access that edit or continue that edit on another device like their laptop. So that is the reason why they upload it to CapCut Cloud Storage, so they can get access to it on another device. Another reason why people upload their video like that is because they are afraid that maybe their phone will get stolen, or their phone will get breakdown, or even get bad one day. If your phone get bad, you will not be worried too much because you have a copy of your content on CapCut Cloud Storage. Another reason why people use this feature is that they want to use it to upload their videos automatically to TikTok, Facebook, WhatsApp without doing it manually. So when they finish editing, they just upload it automatically to other platforms. But here is the downside. The disadvantage of doing that is that each time you upload your video automatically to CapCut Cloud Storage, or you share it as a template, this is where you are not giving CapCut rights to use your content for others. So if you are worried about backing up your content, I will advise you to get an external drive and back all your videos into it instead of backing it up with CapCut Cloud Storage. If you have mistaken uploaded some of your content to CapCut Cloud Storage, you can actually delete that. Just come to your profile icon at the bottom corner. Click on your account. Click on space. As you can see there, space storage. These are all my videos that I have uploaded in the past, so I want to delete them. I will select all of them, then I will come here that says delete, and that is it. Step 2. Avoid using public template features unless you want your clip to be shared to others. When you share your project as templates, this is where it goes. This is where CapCut store it for other people around the world to use. So if you share your project as template, you are giving CapCut the right to use your template and to let people use your template for their own video, right? Step 3. When you are done editing your video, always export it to your phone and don't click automatically upload to other platforms. Instead, when you export your video, let it save in your phone gallery and upload it by yourself to other platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and don't do it automatically. Doing it automatically means that you are giving CapCut copy of your content, and that is where they can use it. On your mobile phone, after editing your video and you click on export, you see something like this: share to TikTok. This is what you should not do. Then you also see other options here that says YouTube, Facebook, and the rest. So this is what you should not do. Just let it rest in your phone device. Then it is from there that you upload it to your YouTube channel manually by yourself, not automatically. I hope that point is clear. Normally, when you are through editing your video with your PC, you will get something like this. You say video is saved to your desktop or laptop. You can share it now. When you click on here, yes, TikTok. When you click on here, yes, YouTube. If you click on TikTok, then you come here and click on share. This is where the problem comes in. Instead, just let it export to your device, to your desktop, then do it manually. Don't do it automatically. The same way, if you click YouTube, then you come here, you click on share, you are automatically uploading it to YouTube. This will make you to give CapCut a copy of your video, and they're also uploading it to their cloud storage when you use this method. So I will suggest that export your videos manually to your device, then upload it yourself to your TikTok account or your YouTube accounts. So the question is, should you leave CapCut? The simple answer is CapCut is still the best editing software for many creators, and it is mobile friendly. It's also loaded with powerful features that can help you perform or create a better video. So you can actually use CapCut safely if you know how to use it very well, and if you apply all the steps we just discussed. So it is not just that CapCut can just come and take your content. That is not how it works. If you are using CapCut just for simple editing, you export it to your phone gallery, and for your phone, you upload it by yourself to your YouTube channel, then you are safe. But if you use it as a backup storage or you share your content as template to others, then you are not like giving CapCut the right to use your video as template, because when you share your project as template to others, you are like telling CapCut, yeah, this video, I share it as template. You can show it to the world. Others can use it to create their videos as well. That is what you are trying to take CapCut when you share it as template. But if you just use it as normal editing, export it to your phone gallery, then from there you upload it to your YouTube channel, then you are safe. So it is up to you. For me, I continue to use CapCut as long as I apply this method. Another downside of using CapCut, which many people is talking about, is the high cost of monthly or yearly subscription for their pro features. This should be a topic for another day. And until then, I want to encourage you to like this video and subscribe for more videos just like this one. And I will see you in the next one.